Finally, let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Showcasing a generous 6.9-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088x1440, it incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass armor. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB, leveraging USS 4.1 technology. Housed within is a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 7.1 based on Android 15, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,299. Take all this info with a pinch of salt. If you find any mistakes or missing information in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra specifications, please tell us. We're working hard to make sure everything is accurate, but sometimes errors can happen. Your feedback helps us improve. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.